In 8th grade, section 7-8, we're dealing with circle graphs. Basically, circle graphs are here because we want to compare parts of a data set to a whole data set. It's to take something and put it visually to kind of see, okay, this is the favorites, this is the nots. So we're going to construct a circle graph. This is actually pretty fun. It's not tough. You kind of have to eyeball it, so not everyone's going to have the exact same kind of graph. So number 1 wants us to construct a circle graph according to favorite school lunches. Now, the most exact way to do it is to take this and put it into 100 slices because each circle represents 100%. Okay? So each circle represents 100%. And so I'm going to be representing a certain chunk of that circle according to the percentage. So pizza would be 42%. So I'm going to start with the biggest and then go into, because it's a lot easier for me to grasp, to estimate the smaller numbers once I have the bigger numbers. If I'm thinking in my head, I'm going to erase this line later, if I'm thinking in my head that this is 50%, then 42 could be this amount. So 42% is pizza. Right? And some people might even be more than that. So 42% is pizza. Now I have that, I'm just going to check it off so I know. The next biggest is 23%. If this is 8%, if this is 50%, this is 25%. So I'm thinking 23 would be here. Do you see why I like to do the smaller ones better? I mean the bigger ones first. So 23% is chicken nuggets. Okay? You can also put it in the side right here if it's too small. You can put a line. So I have chicken nuggets. Next is 18%. So let me see actually. If this is 23%, I'm going to do 3%. This is 25, right? So this is 2 points away from 25, so 3% would probably be kind of just like right there, right? This would be others. Okay? Spaghetti would be 9%. If this represents 40 and this is 50, and this would be 8, so that means this would probably be 9%. This is spaghetti. You might want to do it in pencil first in case, you know, it's not where you thought. So my next one would be 18% and 5%. So I'm just going to do that. My 5% has to be bigger than 3%. My 18% has to be close to 23, so that looks about right. So this is my tacos. And then this is my tacos hamburger. Okay? And you know, if you have colored pencils, you should shade them into different colors. If not, then just split it and done. So, hopefully that's easy enough. And again, remember, you're just estimating and each circle represents 100%. So try page 382, number 3, 382, number 3, and I will see you in class.